Here's a 2017 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Muscular yet graceful, thrilling yet serene, this C-Class is the precise balance of all things Mercedes-Benz. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, aluminum wheels, automatic transmission, rear wheel drive, M-Brace 2 external memory control, power tilting steering column, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com notes its meticulous construction and engineering, refined ride and handling, high style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.